Hello everyone, my name is Waqar Hassan and I am here with a topic from UPSC Essay Paper, and the topic is the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. We all know that we are here in this world for a limited time period and life offers us limited opportunities. So if we fail to act timely as an individual and as a nation, we fail to accomplish our goals. So let's start to decode this essay. First of all, I will read out a thesis statement for you people and then I will explain the topic statement that I have written here. So let's read out the thesis. But before reading out the thesis, I will also explain the starter that I have written here to start this essay. So let's start, and I will also explain all the points that I've written here so people can comprehend the crux of this topic. So this is a starter. We can also say that these two statements are hooks. They are to connect your essay with the thesis and to grab the attention of the examiner. So these are the starters, or you can also say these are the hooks that can engage the examiner or the reader, and they connect you to the thesis statement that you write after these starters or hooks. So the statements are: opportunities remain available for a limited time. Yes, it is a fact that opportunities they remain available for a very limited period of time. It is only through the time action that individuals and nations can transform their destiny. Individuals and nations, they can only transform their destiny if they act timely in order to take maximum advantage from the opportunities that life offers to them. So these are the starters, and these starters they actually engage the reader, convincing him to read the essay, engaging him in the best possible manner. So after writing starters or hooks, we will write thesis statement. So the thesis is right here in front of you. I will read it out for you people, and I will also explain the thesis statement. So the thesis is: destiny awaits those who avail themselves with the opportunities life provides them. Yes, destiny and fortune, these are the words that are for those people who act timely, who take action, who fight to achieve their goals, and who do not waste time. So, destiny awaits those who avail themselves with the opportunities without wasting a single second. Then, I have now presented an argument in order to strengthen my point of view that destiny awaits those who avail themselves with the opportunities life provides them. But opportunities in life are like sunshine. Yes, opportunities they are like sunshine. And the sunshine, it just vanishes away in a blink of an eye. We can witness this phenomenon in our daily lives. We can see that sunshine, it just vanishes away within a span of few hours. And we just keep thinking that how it all occurs. So opportunities are like this. If we fail to take advantage from them, opportunities they just vanish away. And time is a precious commodity. We have to act in our life without wasting a single second in order to repair the roof. To repair the roof means to solve our problems, to achieve our goals, to get things done. So let's move forward. Destiny awaits those who avail themselves with the opportunities life provides them. But opportunities in life are like sunshine which vanishes away in the blink of an eye. If the precious time to get benefit from the light sunshine offers in the form of opportunities in life is wasted. Yes. It means that if a person or if a nation or if humanity, if they fail to take advantage of the opportunities, if they fail to act accordingly within the specific time, if they fail to get things done, if they fail to overcome the issues within the specific time, if they fail to resolve the conflicts, then time it's a precious commodity. But time is also a teacher. It teaches the worst kind of lessons and it waits for none, right? So, time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. It means that when the time is available, that when an opportunity is available in front of us. So, this is the thesis and it defends the writer in front of the examiner or the reader. So, I have to prove this thesis, I have to explain this thesis, I have to make topic statements to prove my thesis, to convince the reader or the examiner that my thesis is valid. So I have taken help from these topic statements. I will read it out for you people, so you people can get a very clear understanding of the topic. That what I have tried to say in my thesis statement, it's it's fine and it justifies my point of view, and it also defends the topic. So the first topic sentence is the world can mitigate the impacts of climate change, but until it crosses the point of no return. Yes, world cannot mitigate the impacts of climate change if we reach at a point which is the point of no return for us. Then the climate will inflict humanity in the worst possible manner. So we have got time now. We have to act now. It's time to take action, not only for the developing countries, but especially for the developed world. But if we fail to act within the given time, then the monster of climate change, it will wreak havoc throughout the world. So time is calling us. It's time to act, right? So my first topic sentence proves that time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Otherwise, we will lose this opportunity to safeguard our generations. And climate change, it will destroy the future of our generations. Right? The next one is the time to address global conflicts is shrinking fast, asking for their immediate resolution before the point when war will be the only option available for nations to resolve the conflicts. Nations around the world, they have indulged themselves in unwanted conflicts, and this is a time to resolve those conflicts because we are moving towards a nuclear war, third world war. That might be the end of this world. So it's time. It's time to act now. It's time for all of us to think about it, to think about our future. Because if we fail to resolve our conflicts, then definitely the war will be the only option for all the nations to ensure their survival on this planet. So the time is ripe now, and the time to repair the roof is now. When the sun is shining, when we have got the opportunity. So the next topic sentence is water crisis is calling for a global consensus before it is too late to overcome increasing water shortages. It is an issue that can endanger humanity and it can endanger our survival. It's a real issue. And the time for the nations is now. We have to act now. We have to take action. We have to do something to conserve water, to conserve the future of our generations. Otherwise, water crisis, it will invite unwanted conflicts. It will invite unwanted destruction and chaos in this world. So time to repair the roof is now. When the sun is shining, when we have got an opportunity, when we can collaborate to resolve this issue, when we can do something to overcome this crisis. And if we fail to do so, water crisis will definitely hit this world. It will hit all the nations across the world. And humanity will fail to overcome this issue if we waste this opportunity that is with us right now. This is the time. So we can elaborate it in our paragraph. But the point is, you need to expand these points and you need to connect these points with thesis because your thesis is defending the stance and it's proving this statement. Okay, the next point is global inequality is knocking the door of a global catastrophe, which is a warning for humanity to pay attention to this menace without further delay. This is a very critical point. This is the time to overcome inequality, but we are moving towards, you can say, we are witnessing a widening of this chasm. Inequality is increasing all around the world, whether it is financial equality, technological inequality, or social inequality. The chasm is widening. See, this is the time to address the issue because inequality breeds ism. Inequality, it is the mother of all evils, and the world won't survive with the kind of inequality we are generating through technology, through economic gains. We are dividing this world, and the chasm between have and have nots. It's widening. It will bring hatred. It will bring disaster, chaos. It will bring permanent demise of humanity. The time is now to take actions to minimize this inequality in education, to minimize this inequality in our lifestyles, to minimize this inequality in technological domains, economic domains, social domains, to make our societies inclusive, right? So the time is now to make our societies sustainable. Otherwise, we won't survive. So these are the four topic statements. You can also make more topic statements to define this point. Yes, we can add more topic statements. We can take this at an individual level. Yes, I can say that time is ripe to take care of your health, right? You can address few topic statements. You can write few topic statements at an individual level. You can write few topic statements at national level, and you can also write few topic statements at international level. I have done so in keeping in mind the international perspective, right? So you can write more topic statements at individual level, at national level, and at international level. So you can write more topic statements. It's okay. It's fine. When you write topic statements, 8 to 9 topic statements to defend your thesis, you have to write complete paragraphs on these topic statements. After that, you have to conclude the essay. So the thesis of conclusion is right here in front of you, people. Time and sunshine wait for no one. Yes, they wait for no one. And if time gets wasted and sunshine goes untapped, we have to tap the sunshine. I'm talking about the opportunities here. Sunshine is the opportunity. If it goes untapped, if we waste our time, then chaos and misfortune become the ultimate fate of humanity. If we lose opportunities that are with us, if we waste our time, then we won't stop chaos and destruction to destroy our fate. So the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. The sun is shining now. It is up to us whether we take it as an opportunity, as a chance to recover from all the losses that we have inflicted upon humanity through our actions, or to bear the consequences. Right? I hope you people have now a clear idea on how to address this essay. I will come with more videos, and I will make more topic statements and thesis statements for you people to help you people in the best possible manner. Keep watching. Thank you.